Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got something really exciting to share with you today, especially if you've ever thought about starting a newsletter or are looking for ways to boost your email marketing game. You know, I've been in the content creation space for a while now, and one thing I've learned is that email marketing is still one of the most powerful tools for connecting with your audience. But let's be real, getting a newsletter up and running isn't always as simple as it seems. That's why when I came across Newsletter Launch Blueprint, I knew I had to check it out. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably love tools and systems that simplify the process while delivering high-quality results. And let me tell you, this one delivers in spades. First off, Newsletter Launch Blueprint isn't just some basic guide on creating newsletters. It's a comprehensive package that walks you through every step of the process, from finding your niche to growing your audience and even monetizing your efforts. Honestly, I was impressed by how much ground it covers. One of the standout features is the way it breaks things down into bite-sized, actionable steps. You don't need to be a marketing wizard to get started. It's perfect for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by all the moving parts of launching a newsletter. For example, it helps you figure out exactly who your audience is and what kind of content they're hungry for. And if you're already experienced, there's still plenty here to take your newsletter to the next level. What I appreciated most is how the program emphasizes creating value for your audience. We all know that spammy, sales-focused emails don't cut it anymore. People want newsletters that educate, entertain, or inspire. And this blueprint gives you a solid foundation to deliver just that. It even covers things like writing compelling subject lines and designing email templates that grab attention without feeling over the top. The part that really hooked me, though, was the focus on monetization. Let's face it, creating a newsletter takes time and effort, and it's only fair to want a return on that investment. The Newsletter Launch Blueprint lays out various ways to monetize, whether it's through affiliate marketing, offering exclusive content, or even selling your own products and services. The strategies they suggest are ethical, effective, and tailored to different audience types. Another big plus is how it tackles audience growth. Building an email list can feel like an uphill battle, but this blueprint gives you practical, realistic strategies to grow your subscribers without spending a fortune on ads. From leveraging social media to creating lead magnets that actually convert, it's all in there. And the best part? These strategies don't feel pushy or salesy. They're all about attracting the right audience who genuinely wants to hear from you. The toolkit also includes resources like templates, checklists, and examples, which save a ton of time. I found the templates for welcome emails and onboarding sequences especially useful because, let's be honest, crafting those from scratch can be a bit of a pain. Having a guide to follow makes the whole process so much smoother. Another thing I noticed is how well this program caters to different niches. Whether you're in tech, lifestyle, fitness, or even something super niche like knitting or drone racing, the principles and strategies apply across the board. The flexibility of the blueprint is definitely a major win in my book. And let's talk about the learning experience itself. The content is presented in a way that's engaging and easy to follow. It's not just pages of boring text. There are video lessons, interactive elements, and real-life examples that make it easier to connect the dots. Plus, the creators clearly know their stuff. You can tell this isn't just theory, it's all based on tried-and-true methods that have worked for them and countless others. Before I wrap this up, I want to mention the community aspect. One thing I always look for in resources like this is whether there's a way to connect with other users. The Newsletter Launch Blueprint comes with access to a community where you can share your progress, ask questions, and get feedback. It's such a great way to stay motivated and learn from others who are on the same journey. So, if you've been putting off launching your newsletter or are looking to improve the one you already have, this might just be the push you need. It's packed with value, easy to follow, and genuinely helps you build something that not only grows your audience, but also creates real impact. All right, that's it for today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. and let me know in the comments if you're thinking about trying it out. As always, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.